You did your research. You watched a million TikTok routines. But after trying a curly hair routine on your wavy hair, your hair just ends up not curly or not wavy and just ugly. Maybe your hair actually turns out curly and nice right after you do your routine. But then you wake up the next morning and your waves are flattened and stringy and all over the place. If this has happened to you, you are not alone. This is actually my most asked question. So the girlies are wondering how to actually make their waves look like curls. So today I'm walking you through how to make your wavy or curly hair last past day 1 and how to bring them life on day 2, 3, and 4. So let's just break it all down. Hey guys, I'm Barbie Dell. If you don't know me, I'm a curly hair coach and I help people just like you on videos just like these. I also used to have stringy, limp, not great curls, and I transformed mine into beautiful, voluptuous curls, and I want to help you do the same thing. I do that through videos like this and then also through Curls Monthly, which is my curly hair subscription box. I will link below the link to sign up for Curls Monthly because I would love to have you inside my little curl club. It'd be so fun. I send you products every month. It's great. So if you're ready to simplify your curl routine, find products that you'll love, you're gonna love it there. Okay, so let's just first address the matter why your wavy hair just isn't turning out. The reason why your wavy hair is looking limp and weighed down and gunky and just not curly and springy is because you are styling it like it is curly hair. And there is a big difference between what somebody with like tight curls does and somebody with looser waves or curls does. Plus, if you have slightly wavy hair, the odds are that you also have a soft hair finish. And that also means that your hair is soft naturally and going to be weighed down easily naturally. If you're not sure what a soft hair finish is, I will leave my soft hair finish playlist below so you can check out all about it. I have lots of videos on this topic. Like, I talk about it a lot. I'm telling you, this is my most frequently asked question. So instead of reaching for heavy products like curl creams or gels, you want to reach for lightweight products like spray leave-in conditioners, mousses, foams, hairsprays, and dry shampoos. You also should be applying these products on more damp hair, not soaking wet hair. Soaking wet hair is for the curly girls, and trust me, you don't want that. So, okay, what do you do on day 2? What do you do on day 2 to help not only revive, but just make it last longer? So maybe you're doing everything I said before. Maybe you are using the lighter weight products. Maybe you are checking off all those boxes, yet your curls are still turning out like trash in the morning. I'm gonna answer that for you. But first things first, you have to be protecting your hair at night because you are never going to wake up with good curls if you're just sleeping on a regular pillowcase willy-nilly. So bonnets, scarves, satin pillowcases, satin scrunchies, all of these things you need to be doing to your curls. I have a few videos on how to protect your curls at night. I will link my favorite one below because I think you're gonna need that as well. Then when you get up in the morning, I want you to do the following and listen closely. Do not skip any of these steps if you want great hair when you wake up. Grab a few pumps of your mousse that you used on wash day and pump it in your hand and then dilute it with some water. You can either just quickly put it under the sink, or if you have a spray bottle with water, you can just spray it in and mix it. Then you're going to glide that mixture over your hair and scrunch it in. This will reactivate your curls and help them hold in place longer. You don't need too much product. Definitely do not need to be wetting it down fully. That will be just, please do not do that. But just that little bit of product and that little bit of water is all you need. Then, and this is super important because the reason really behind everything that your wavy hair is being pulled down is either because of heavy curl products, like you're just using things that are too heavy, and or you have a soft finish to your hair naturally, which means that your hair naturally gets oilier faster. Your hair naturally is extra shiny. When your hair is extra shiny, it weighs down easily by itself, not even with products. So this dry shampoo is essential for people with a soft hair finish and for people with wavy hair. So you're gonna grab your dry shampoo, shake it, and then hold it 6 to 10 inches away. Like if this is my part in the middle, I like to put it on either side of my part. So I'll put it here and here. I'll show you what it looks like in a second. You wait about 30 seconds to let it set, and then you rub it with your fingers. So I am going to use the OLAPLEX 4D Clean Volume Detox Dry Shampoo on my hair right now to just kind of show you how this works in action. This dry shampoo is in Curls Monthly starting August 2026. I'm so excited. You know I love OLAPLEX so much. Like, if OLAPLEX has one fan, it is me. So I'm just so excited that we have, this is our first dry shampoo in Curls Monthly. So what better company to have the first dry shampoo with? Okay, so say my part is down the middle. I'm going to flip my hair on either side of my part, hold it 6 to 10 inches away, spray. Then I'm going to wait like 30 seconds, allow it to dry. I love that this does not leave any type of white cast. It's great for all colors of hair. And then rub it in with my hands. And then I'll use it on the other side of my part. Spray. Wait. Now, if your hair is extra limp, you can use this all over. I just like to use it really for volume because it will add more volume to my hair. I don't have wavy hair. I don't have soft hair. So it doesn't as much apply to me, but you would use this all over your hair. Flip your hair upside down, get it all over your scalp. I promise you it will help. Then just massage that in. And boom, dry shampoo complete. This is a super lightweight dry shampoo. So when I say it is the soft hair finish, the wavy hair girls perfect dry shampoo, I really mean it. It doesn't leave a powdery residue as you just saw. There's no buildup, and it actually neutralizes odor. So that's really nice. It helps extend your style in between washes, and it like leaves your scalp feeling freshly washed. Like my hair feels so clean right now. Absolutely no white residue and absolutely a reduction in oil at my roots. Like it's magical. It's definitely the zeolite, bentonite, and rice starch that absorbs, purifies, and adds that body. I actually have an entire video just on bentonite in general because it's such an amazing natural ingredient to help add body and cleanse your hair. Like this dry shampoo is just so good. So after you do those steps, your hair will be significantly less weighed down and it will be more springy from the mousse that we're putting on our end. Repeat these steps every day and your waves will last way longer. And of course, be sure to be protecting your curls at night. There's also other ways to use it. So just if your hair gets really oily easily, you can use it on oily hair, even if it's not weighed down. And really, if you're just really late to the washing game, like you should have washed your hair 4 days ago, of course, you can use it as an actual dry shampoo because that's what it is. Okay, I think that's everything. It's basically hacking the dry shampoo system to help and jerry-rig your waves to last longer. Thank you for watching. If you want this product and 4 other products geared towards your hair type, I will leave the link below to sign up for Curls Monthly. Let me know if you try this routine out. I'll see you next time.